What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Reels of Mass. At the time of recording, it's Wednesday, June 24th, 2026 at 3:35 in the PM. And today we find ourselves back here at Boston Engine Terminal to check out what equipment's outside. The first thing we see when we arrive today is 1637. This is the last fully intact cab car of its type on the MBTA. It also appears since our last visit the snowplows have been moved again.
South signal, Tower 1. For you over here. Oh, I can't.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
It looks like I'm still showing a door of people.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
Alright, 1077, I got it up here, folks. Still 1077, Dorchester dispatch over. Roger, signal indication for your town, thank you. 1077 out. .153 headed to the crew, let's go over. Roger. 5153.
Alright guys, that's going to conclude our update here today at Boston Engine Terminal. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Stay there. Yep, that one. Try that.